Yes. Mounted.
नहीं रे इसका
अच्छा.
मेरे को जाकिर खान ने बोला था, पता है?
कब?
हाँ, मैं उनका पर्सनल फोटोग्राफर था. तो वो चाचा विधायक है हमारे, ऐसा कुछ था उनका. तो मैं वहाँ पे शूट कर रहा हूँ और उनको दूर से देखा था, इधर आ, मेरी गांड फट गई. बोला मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? बोलते इधर आ, फोटो दिखा. मैं फोटो दिखा तो इतनी सुंदर शक्ल है तुम्हारी, इतने अच्छे चीक बोन्स है. भाई मैं शर्मा क्या? मैं बोला. बोलते कैमरा के पीछे क्या कर रहे हो? कैमरा के आगे आओ. बोला हाँ ट्राई करता हूँ.
किया ट्राई?
बिल्कुल नहीं. वो उधर ही शर्मा के बंद कर दिया मैंने.
Like some punk.
Yeah.
I know it's punk and I know that people do it, but there's always a part of me where I'm like, did you have to do that? You know what I mean?
What are you talking about? Smashing the
Smashing a guitar. Yeah.
That is true, yeah.
He's like, it'll be disrespectful.
If
But I'm
it's-
like,
It is disrespectful.
but like,
That's the point.
It's extremely disrespectful.
I guess it's supposed to also be
Yeah.
disrespectful.
Yeah,
if
yeah,
people
yeah.
are gonna be climbing up on the stage,
Yeah, that's disrespectful too.
What's
Yeah.
that's disrespectful too.
Hey, Bob is actually.
Are we showing people doing any sort of substances?
Can you do a song?
I can play it from the car.
Give me focus on me.
1 second. Nitin is.
Yes.
Are you enjoying what you're doing right now?
Yeah.
Also,
Point it to Meg.
this is a part of the music video. Right?
We're trying
Yeah.
out. Do you think this looks good?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I should keep it.
Okay.
You're not sure about it.
No, I'm not sure.
Oh my god.
Let's see.
What are we trying to accomplish today?
We are trying to sort out every single shot that requires a spotlight, so the sequence, like basically the soft parts in your set. We're trying to eliminate all of that. That requires one dolly in, one dolly out, close-ups of your face, close-ups of you playing the guitar, but just with that one spotlight. None of these lights going crazy. And then for your second soft part, we're basically going to do the same thing, except there's going to be Meg standing over there, and that spotlight is kind of falling through you, creating a halo around you, but blasting her in the face. And we're going to capture that kind of high exposure on her, but you're going to be completely black. Going to get a wide frame there as well. And then
Center stage from sides. Just don't show too much background of anything. Avoid back, like front से ही रखना पड़ेगा. Front इसका इसी angle से ही. हाँ. जैसे नहीं वहाँ पे कोई ज़्यादा background extra.
can we do one thing right now? Leave shots, close-ups for now. Let me just quickly wrap up next shots, because I'm very clear with that. And I'll give you 2 B-rolls each, get those for me, and then you move on to like your shots.
So what do you want to write on exactly?
I want to get the spotlight that's falling on Meg
Yeah.
through Sean.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you need Meg's OTS?
I will, yeah.
Okay, so I have the shot this side.
Take over, please. Take over, we're running out of time.
We're done with 3 shots, 3 or 4 shots.
Okay, fine, just hurry up, we're running out of time.
And action.
राहुल भाई, अच्छा DMX का सब लॉक कर देंगे कि गाना
Now.
Sean is gonna smash this on stage. Trust.
Trust. That's crazy, dude. Hi.
मैंने 45 एक 70 रुपये दिया.
We're gonna turn the fuck up. We're gonna be raging. We're gonna be not breaking guitar. Wait, you said you could lend yours, right?
Yeah.
How much is your guitar?
I don't know. It costed like 2K.
I'll pay 2K for it.
but I'll have to like. It doesn't have any strings.
It's fine. We are just using it to break.
I'll show it to you once.
Bring it. Worst case, we don't break it. Best case, we break it.
Okay.
We had to keep our hair.
Okay.
I got kicked out. What? Earlier we were moving ऐसा tricky लग रहा था वो वापस करेंगे
करना यार.
छोड़ दो So are you checking the lights or are you fucking around?
Just a few hours to go. What do you say?
What's up? It's gonna be sick. I'm excited for it. It'll be epic. As the kids call it, it'll be epic sauce. It'll be YOLO swag. It'll be what's up?
So, Hani, how do you feel? You are the bouncer for today.
Sleepy? No, shut up. I'm managing the bouncers. I'm not the bouncer. No.
Okay.
So, do you have a female bouncer? Who's gonna check the bags?
You.
No. 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 Shut up. You need a female bouncer still.
Then let Sean go.
Okay.
You handle this.
Okay. See, I can let someone know. I have done it multiple times.
I got it.
Honestly, yeah. I don't mind if people catch
Gang,
me.
here's what I'm thinking, right? For the stage dive sequence, we have 2 or 3 people where everybody is just trying to stage dive and everybody's trying to dive. So we get multiple tries.
It's too many
not
people
one
to catch.
person. But like
At the same
it's-
time?
No,
No, it's like
one after the other.
one
Like
can
one
just
person
start the
decides.
cycle.
Yeah, one person goes.
Yes.
I like that. So we go from
I like
light
that a
to
lot.
Yeah, we go from light to heavy. So we start with you, then you, and then surprisingly.
And they're like everybody is just like down. They're coming up on stage and don't use the stairs to come on stage. I could. I'm down to. I can put down my guitar and I can stage.
Yeah, honestly,
Yeah,
that's
But we'll have to like have people just kind of like
around. Rich, you've gone from 1 try to 4.
All the best.
If you fuck up now,
I won't fuck up 4 times. I'm not gonna fuck up 4 times.
Okay, so for our dream, we're doing first 2 takes, just everybody just going crazy in general, right?
Yeah,
Or
let's
should we just keep one for that?
let's do one for that.
He wants to stick to one. Going crazy. X2. What do we want in the second one? Do we want head to head or do we want stage dive?
I don't want
Second one.
How are you feeling?
No, I'm good. I'm feeling nice.
That's the stay on me, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the thing. How are you feeling right now?
Are you high?
I want to.
I want to be high. I'm saying high, not high.
I think I'm not happy. Ah, it's on. Go. You say something.
Hi. I'm sleepy.
That's so awkward.
The cards of Suraj, I think it was on.
No, I have the cards.
Okay. Like by recheck.
So this.
But soup is not giving me like a nice salad, so here we have unhealthy food, and he's gonna order coffee for us now. But how are we feeling? Is that the question? You never asked me a question.
Okay.
Feeling good. I got this jellyfish from my friend's feet of food. I'm like making a jellyfish kingdom at my house. Don't feel free to come and see. But I think that's about it. We'll see you post the shoot.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's check.
That's it? Yeah. You can count it though.
Oh, okay.
Dude!
Go.
We are
Yeah,
shooting
1.3
a video and all the new kids, beginner filmmakers are there.
The fuck? The fuck?
I mean,
Both passed
it
out from
is-
the same college.
Yeah.
But
Wait, you're from KC?
Yeah.
It started now, my bad. How do you feel we are about to have a show in like 2 hours?
I am super nervous and Fingers crossed. Yeah.
Anything, whatever you thought in your mind, just blabber.
Wait, what's the time?
It's around 1:40.
So it's like it's 2. We're gonna
We have
start
just an hour.
in an hour.
An hour.
Super excited. Soup might say stage dive, and there's gonna be guitar breaking.
My guitar.
Yeah, Karan's guitar.
Oh, it's your guitar.
Yeah.
What?
You volunteered.
Wait, I didn't know that.
Any shots of our lighting setup from yesterday that we can send over to you?
Okay, never mind. It's rolling. It's rolling.
No, so yeah, basically Karan like volunteered for his guitar to be smashed. Can't wait to see that.
Okay.
Overall, really excited.
Let's go. Yeah, it's rolling.
What's up?
Once. How are you feeling?
I'm pretty good. We're gonna shoot a sick ass music video and we're gonna play a bunch of pretty cool songs.
Yeah. And you're gonna break a guitar.
Oh yeah, we're gonna break a guitar. Yeah, it'll be hype. We're gonna have people diving off the stage. We're gonna have a jeep in the middle of the set with the audiences. It'll be hard.
Yeah, cool.
Does that work?
Actually, we need to love the space itself because I'm putting it on the.
Peaches out. How do you feel? What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Nobody does. Nobody does.
I wasn't even sure yesterday if I'm gonna
Say please.
come or not. I don't know what I'm doing. I was recording.
Say please.
Ray making a comeback in Suhani.
1 second first. Say please.
I want that. But
Hey, baby.
okay, then
Say please.
Devi, please.
Call me Devi. What the fuck?
अच्छा मुझे लगा दीदी बोला.
देवी बोला कि दीदी बोला?
Devi.
देवी बोला.
सर बटन बंद कर लो. गंदे लग रहे हो काफी.
We're not doing now. Anything I'm gonna ask you, she's gonna be like, first say please. That's just stupid.
हे भगवान. जाने दो. बच्चों को लड़ने दो. फोकस में नहीं था तू. अब वापस कर.
I actually don't like it. Now how do you do that?
What?
Oh yeah, this.
अच्छा हाँ. How sure are you?
I wouldn't know unless I've tried, right?
Because I have.
You have?
Yes. In 2018.
I thought you have it now.
Not right now. Yeah. This is all going in the documentary.
I do not give consent for that.
Okay.
How are you already facing a lawsuit?
Where's my lawyer? No, I'm not Irish.
Okay. I need my defense attorney.
Wait, come on. Record this side. No, we gotta get one together, which is mine.
Okay, 3, 2. Right. No.
Match up. Can you not? Let me do my thing.
What do you mean by my thing? This was your thing.
If she gets this up.
Fucker.
You'll just keep it down and let it do its thing.
That never happened.
Oh. Cat fight.
No, it was easy. Oh, wow. It was 60 days.
Video.
And we got 2 more things to accomplish. Do any one of y'all want to stage dive? We promise to catch you. You want to do it? Come up on stage. Yeah. Okay, don't come up on stage. One second. These guys are what, 20 kgs? Alright. There's a little hole over here. Come over here. Dad, can you come over here as well? Your responsibility now. You guys jump on the big guy. You have to catch us.
Catch and
I'm gonna jump and we're gonna create a little circle. Then we're gonna smash it. Video people will meet on stage.
Alright, you guys figure this shot out. Meg, you've got it.
You're going to jump? No, I'm going to jump down. We're going to create a little circle and I'm going to smash this guitar on the ground.
Capture, I'll say we picked up that.
I'll jump, essay, then you form a circle.
And we want to very tight spot over here, right? Yes, sir. This
Oh my god. I don't think so. We don't.
We ready? This.
Are we doing the stage dive again?
Yes, we're doing it one more time.
Only you or?
Just me. I mean, sure.
Yeah, just taking that.
Thank you guys so much for coming. This is that's it. We're gonna pick up the pieces so you guys don't step on it and stuff.
Shan, all done?
What happened to feet?
Shan?
Shan, you finally broke my guitar.
I did. I'm sorry, dude. That was too much fun, man. That was a lot.
Did you see the flowers coming out of it?
The flares?
Flowers.
No.
There were flowers inside. I just realized.
Really?
Yeah. Yes. Can you see those petals? Rose petals.
Oh, there were flowers.
I just realized.
Oh, fuck. That's so hard.
Boys, how do you all feel?
Great.
How do you feel? Great job, everyone.
Too much fun.
Yo, how do you feel? Okay, now time for Vada Pav, guys. Upstairs.
Set. All set. Rolling in some time. In an hour probably. 1 घंटे में. Oh wow, bouncers are here. चलो बाउंसर्स भी आ गए. अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे रखेंगे सबको. Because एक बैक गेट का भी एंट्रेंस है, so there have to be someone.
Can we like is it allowed to smoke in there while the concert is going on?
I don't think so. And no substances, no nothing is allowed. इसीलिए तो इतने सारे बाउंसर्स है. They find anything, they'll confiscate it.
बोर हो जाएगा पे.
चलेगा, होने दो. Who cares?